Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to bold text in LinkedIn post. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to linkedin.com and make sure you're logged in using your user credentials. After this, you will see this LinkedIn's page. Now, in order to add a bold text anywhere on LinkedIn, you can add it on a post, video, photo, or you can also write article where you can add a bold post. So when you write an article, you get the bold option just right here. Now, if you write a post, you don't get the option to add a bold text. For example, I will type in this text that says, "Hello guys." Now, if I would want to make this bold, I can see that I don't have any tools available here. What I will have to do is simply copy this text that I've just written, navigate to a new tab and type in font copy paste. After this, hit enter and go to this site that says Lingo Jam. I'm going to use this site. So I will paste the normal text here. As you can see, normal text goes here and the other text fonts will appear here. So I will right click on paste. Now you can see I get different variation and styles for the text I have to add on my LinkedIn. So you can copy any one of these text, but we are going to add the bold one. So just scroll down and you will see bold text appearing. So I will copy this one. Just left click on your mouse, drag it, right click on copy. Navigate back to LinkedIn, remove this and press Ctrl+V, or you can right click and click on paste. And as you can see, this says hello guys and it is in bold letters. So that is a simple way you can add bold text in LinkedIn post. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.